Okay, this is Ada and Susan with Infinity Fun and Travel, and we have the cruise news. And we don't have nothing else to do on a Friday night at 4 o'clock. So we decided we're going to have a cruise race, cruise race. So I'm first. Here we are. Let's see. Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Sea has currently experienced technical difficulties that forced the cancellation of the ship next November the 9th, 2024 departure. Guests booking upon the cruise were notified of the cancellation and offered 50% FCC and full refund compensation for the disappointment.
MSC Cruises announces new loyalty perks. They have added the Blue Diamond tier to its Voyagers Club loyalty program.
Royal Caribbean Explorer of the Sea experienced November the 7th hurricane force winds, causing massive waves that tilted the ship dramatically to one side, alarming guests. The captain was able to reduce the speed and adjust the course, stabilizing the ship within 5 to 10 minutes. The itinerary was changed to the Canary Island. The Explorer of the Sea is scheduled to reach its home port in Miami on November the 14th. And Sue, I'm beating you, so hurry.
Spring Break Cruises 2025. Planning a cruise for spring break? Now's the time to book, with March and April being the top travel months.
Princess Cruises cancels a third regional Princess sailing from Galveston on November the 10th for generator repairs. As the ship was preparing for the next sailing, a second generator experienced more technical failure.
Black Friday cruise deals. Holiday deals have already started in the cruise world. Book a cruise now for a Christmas gift to your family.
Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Sea is back in Florida following a 2-week repositioning. She spent some time in Spain with refreshing of her areas and now will spend the winter in the Caribbean and the Bahamas.
Where's the beef? Crystal Cruises. There's a tasty new addition on board called the Beef Bar. Offers a mix of street food and premium beef cuts without a surcharge.
Princess Cruise Line announces 131-day Pacific cruise departing January 2026 from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, with 60 ports stops across from 19 countries.
With it being Veterans Day, it's a good time to remember many cruise lines offer military discounts. In most cases, the discounts are stacked in addition to the already discount you receive.
Royal Caribbean confirms $292 million deal for the port of Costa Maya.
Medical rescues at sea. A dramatic helicopter rescue of a crew member from a celebrity edge. The operation involved both helicopter and support aircraft working together for a successful evacuation.
Owning cruise stocks can give you extra perks when sailing, like onboard credit.
Carnival Cruise Line is embracing the cruising duck craze with a brand new mascot, Ducky the Duck. Ducky has already captured the hearts of passengers.
AARP has cut their discounts for their cruise cards from 10% to 8%.
What's the one small frustration that caught cruisers' attention? The hard-to-spread ice-cold butter pats served with warm bread. Butter's kept on ice to prevent melting, but guests can ask their server to set the butter out early.
Carnival Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse raised their prices from $52 to $55 per adult meal.
NCL's new Prima Class ships are next level of fun, bringing exciting upgrades, featuring the first Aqua Slide Coaster, a hybrid of a water coaster and a water slide.
Seward, Alaska wins $47.5 million grant for cruise shore power.
Riviera Cruises is expanding its focus on the U.S. river cruising, giving travelers more choice to cruise without leaving the country.
Viking has recently named its two newest river ships, the Viking Hathor and the Viking Sabak, with special celebration in Luxor, Egypt, designed specifically for the Nile River, popular 12-day Pharaoh and Pyramid itinerary.
Princess Cruises swaps the World Cruise for an epic Circle Pacific voyage in 2026.
Port Everglades set a new cruise passenger record with a preliminary total of 4,010,919 guests embarking and disembarking during the fiscal year of 2024, which concluded on September the 30th, 2024. However, this record may soon be surpassed as the port anticipates 4.4 million guests in the fiscal year of 2025.
I have. Do we want to stop?
Oh, you got more?
Oh, I got a couple more, but I can save them for next week.
Okay.
They're not.
Thank you for watching, and let us know which one of us you think won. Of course, it was me. We appreciate you watching. We're just bored and just having fun. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.